Oh, here comes Macy on Christmas.
Don't get mad.
Come on down. Oh, go ahead. Let's. Oh, do you want? I'll buy it.
Yes, yes. Uh-oh. Daddy, who didn't eat the last chocolate?
Oh, maybe he left it for you.
I don't want it. This is just a ballerina costume.
You like that?
Wow, Macy. What else is in that down there?
Just what I wanted. Look. Did you cut the tag off, Mom?
Yeah, I'll cut it off.
What else is there, Macy?
Look it.
I see.
It lights up at night. And ballerina shoes.
Ballerina shoes. Wow.
Mommy, the ballerina shoes.
Yeah.
Me.
What's on that, Macy? On the side.
It's a cushion doll for me.
Yeah. Did you see your name on it?
Mommy.
There's one for Evie and one for Macy. Yep. You put them right there. And when you're not using them, we can put them under the table. You want to open your stocking?
All right.
Cool. What is it? I don't see it. I don't see it.
Some of the things in there are from Grandma. Grandma Sally. Oh, that's cute.
Cool. Dad.
What is it? Oh, yeah, cool.
Mom, can you open this for me? Wow, candy.
I guess it's a stock ornament. I think that goes on the tree.
Yep. Dad, this goes on the tree.
Oh, okay. We'll find a good spot.
Oh,
Just,
I
that's
don't think it does.
You
I think it goes.
you can put it there, and we'll find a spot for it later.
Can I put it here?
Okay.
And I can take a nap. Please.
okay.
All right, get up.
A new soft butterfly guitar.
That's a Hannah Montana towel from Grandma Rose and Grandpa Knight.
Wow.
I like it. My own mat. Cool.
Your own yoga mat. Oh, that's a good spot for it.
This is what was in the other